Hello and welcome back to Coin Matters channel. Those gorgeous emails from the almighty Bill Hinman have now been made public. We're going to discuss the Hinman emails in this message. Today, XLM and ADA securities are on the agenda. You got that right, I'm afraid. Joel Katz is scheduled to give a talk. This issue is worth many trillions of dollars, and we're going to discuss it. We'll discuss Ripple and XRP because Uphold has published a stunning article on LinkedIn. Finally, we'll hear from PayPal's CEO on the company's plans for the future and the state of the economy. Let's get right down to business without further ado. In comparison to Ethereum's $1,752, Bitcoin has increased by 0.64% to $26,024 over the past 24 hours. It has down 0.31% in the last 24 hours. At its current price of 52 cents, XRP is trading at a significant discount to both the USDC and the USD. The price has risen by 2.54% in the last 24 hours. The value of all crypto assets on the market is $1,071,000,000,000. Bitcoin's market share is increasing by 47.13% annually. Keep your sights on the current dominance of 50 to 60%, people. Soon, very soon. By the end of the summer, Bitcoin will have gone on a nice little run. Around the time of the second Bitcoin halving, in the middle of November, the price of Bitcoin is expected to rise from $40,000 to $42,000 before beginning a bullish surge. What makes this so remarkable is that XRP is still making gains despite the increasing dominance and the outflow of capital from competing cryptocurrencies. When the Bitcoin money cycle ends, the value of XRP will have increased in proportion to its current price and the extent to which Bitcoin has dominated the financial system. I mean, normally it'd be the other way around. As Bitcoin's supremacy grows and as investors get ready for Bitcoin's ascent, money is leaving XRP and entering Bitcoin. However, the exact opposite is occurring here. XRP is in first place and isn't losing ground at the moment. Since the first of the month, it has been hovering at around 52 cents. Despite all the fear, uncertainty, and doubt, FUD, being spread and the rubbish being spread by the SEC, this is a very encouraging indicator. Keep your focus here. We now visit the insane farmer. Disseminate this. His interrogator posed the question, what is the best project on the XRP ledger, folks? Easily understood. These are the Lux Lions. This NFT is very stunning. Authentic El Primo line product. We're looking at the original king of the jungle. It's not hard to guess what he's up to. He's taking it easy on a Monday. I bet. Currently working on an eye tattoo and about to hit a small bond piece. Powered by CBD. That's hardly anything you can be angry about, is it? Indeed, you won't believe what happens next. This NFT is legally in his possession. Every month on the 1st, 30% of his original payment will be credited back to his XRP wallet. On July 1st, he will receive his next payment. Time to accumulate NFTs, time to put your NFTs to use, time to reallocate your XRP wallet's holdings as your XRP balance grows month by month. Email from Bill Hinman. John Deaton told him they'd be out tomorrow and that emails wouldn't alter the significance of the Have and Howie test. However, the records will demonstrate the challenges of using historical precedent from the 1930s and 1940s to explain technological developments today. In addition, I believe that the Hinman emails will reveal extensive corruption that occurred behind the scenes, as well as the fact that the SEC did discuss XRP and conclude that it was not a security. I believe that is what the incoming emails will reveal. These emails, in my opinion, should be the final straw for the SEC, safety and protection for XRM databases. Yasin posed this inquiry. The fact that Ripple was sued and XRP was accused of being a security but Stellar was spared and XLM was left alone always seemed odd or fishy to me. So, don't huff and puff. Don't bother holding your breath. adopted a delisted XLM that was backed. Who are they to judge? We need to know which cryptocurrency the SEC will target next. We are aware of the exceptional or rumored. Excellent. They definitely advertised it. We are aware that the SEC considers any discussion of token upgrades and network updates by a company or its backers to constitute the offering of a security. When did we learn that? As with ADA, the same might be said. Concerns about safety are addressed by Kudat El-Fata. Morgan noted that the government contends this measure is necessary for security. Blog posts published by Charles Hoskin himself announcing the new blockchain version. The immediate security alert status. Read the piece here. I won't be reading it aloud to you. Bill Morgan questions the SEC's assumptions about ADA security, asking why they are made. Let's say you develop a product and then decide to improve it by including some new features or capabilities. This occurs frequently in the annals of smartphone development. You publicize the upgrade and explain how it will boost sales. So, what do you think, folks? Because you are the man, the owner, the inventor, the one marketing and fixing this network, you have been demoted to the security status. Consider it a security. It's as easy as that. However, what I've observed is that Charles Hoskins is trying to avoid ADA at all costs. He would rather not take part in this. He declines to engage in litigation with the SEC. Who, then, will defend the legitimacy of digital tokens that are suddenly being labeled as securities? Do you really believe they'll find out that the exchanges don't care about your token if you send them? The only thing that matters to these exchanges is conformity, and if the SEC considers something to be a security, then it must be removed. They plan to get rid of it. However, Ripple was sued for XRP-related claims, and the company is doing its best to defend itself. And it will be decided that XRP is not a currency. A security breach will not affect a Ripple. It is likely that XRP will be relisted. Today, I plan to record a video. Because XRP is being positioned to become the base pair on so many exchanges, it feels like a 3-video part day. This is how the price will increase dramatically in the near future. Keep an eye out for that. I plan to release it sometime between 6 o'clock and 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's an honor to have Joel Katz deliver an inspiring speech to the entire new Ripple team who have relocated from Mexico. I think I have everything down pat, but I'd be interested in hearing anyone's final minute recommendations for improvement. Have you taken the time to reflect about how long we've been aiming for greatness during the day? It has been an uphill battle throughout the entirety of one's existence. Today is the day that the course of blockchain's history will be rewritten, thanks to decisions made in the East and events that have been held back from the ages. Bitcoin's mighty free pass powers. The fate of hundreds of courageous initiatives is being decided today, and Ethereum has been involved ever since. I'll see to it that you know it's an honor to fight at their side. Through an unending chain of provocations and a grand deception, one guy plays the role of a triangular regulator. His own people wanted this conflict and had been preparing for it day by day with devilish tenacity. Discuss Jay Clayton here and now. He's now referring to the architect Gary Gensler. He's expanded his scope to include every SEC team. But ultimately, blood is the only thing that drives historical progression. Believe me when I tell you that it is an honor to stand up to them in battle. We fight as warriors. We fight as warriors. New and veteran Ripple employees alike. I implore you once more to rise to the occasion of this momentous occasion. Never let someone else handle the books for us. We need to work as a unit. We're stronger as a team. Here, Joel Katz has not been a man of secret codes. Can you guess what he's trying to communicate here? A thought has occurred to me. I believe he is aware of the impending doom. He's suing the SEC for causing a ripple. The cost is in the multi-trillions, people. Everything has come to this. The extent of the damage done. The amount of money at stake from the SEC is enormous. It has halted the expansion of the XRP ledger by any new companies or individuals entering the blockchain industry. How can I put it so plainly? They were wary of risking hundreds of thousands of dollars of their own money on a blockchain representing an asset that lacked clarity at the time and was embroiled in a legal battle with the SEC, knowing that if the battle went against them, they could lose everything they had worked for. This video clip is stunning. I won't be giving you that performance. The Jimmy Valley and Molly Moore song was played last night. One could still send and receive MoneyGrams. Consider a world in which Bank of America went fully operational. Imagine all the new alliances Ripple could have formed. Here in America, we know that at least 90% of the expansion that has occurred throughout this case has occurred outside the United States. Why? As a result of the SEC's efforts, obviously. However, this will soon end, and so will the flow of cash. Will be reinvested into the XRP network and attract new software engineers to work with XRP. Now, let's skip the uphold piece and get to the good stuff. I'll talk about it in the upcoming video, but right now let's dive into this. Dan Schulman, CEO of PayPal, discusses the future of money, including the role of digital ledgers and stable cryptocurrencies like CBDCs. However, speculative cryptocurrencies with low regulatory certainty, such as Bitcoin, Dogecoin, and Ethereum, will not be used. Is the XRP ledger capable of being the real stablecoin? Not too long ago, PayPal's CEO was on stage, and we know that Brad Garlinghouse was there. Both of them are United States-based workers, and we know that they share a workplace. We are aware that Ripple is developing and pilot testing a central bank digital currency supported by the XRP ledger and XRP, which in turn support the US dollar. Stablecoins and digital currencies issued by central banks are known to be on Ripple's future plans. Will PayPal soon be able to link up with the XRP blockchain? With companies like Uber, Amazon, and Apple in our midst, I never doubted it. The new market is on the horizon, people. The new economic order has arrived. Please like and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.